Viewers, we're getting live visuals from West Bengal. Two marches are to be taken out today. From Howrah, we're getting our latest visuals right now on our screens. Nabonno has now turned into a fortress. There's a three-layer security, and as we speak, you can see the heavy deployment of police. Nabonno Abhijan today, and right ahead of that, you can see Mamata's forces, Mamata police is on ground zero. And viewers, the march has been called by students who are demanding Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's resignation over her government's handling of the rape and murder case of the trainee doctor at the RG Kaur Hospital. Governor has issued a statement urging the state to refrain from using force, but you can see the clampdown has already begun, viewers. The Mamata Banerjee government has gone all out to crush any dissent, any demand for justice that is being raised. My colleague Kisholai joins us live from our Bangla newsroom in Kolkata. Kisholai, well, these visuals, they really speak volumes of how Mamata Banerjee has planned. There is it's a very clear-cut plan that has been put in place to tackle the protest by students who are only demanding justice and, of course, thereby demanding the resignation of Mamata Banerjee. Of course, she's not going to like it, but where was the security all along when Dr. Abhay was raped and murdered, when the RG Kaur was ransacked and vandalized? That time in the court, the state of West Bengal says that there was not enough deployment. But now, when there are two protest march of students happening, you can see more than 6,000 police personnel are being deployed in Kolkata.
Shita, this is the live visual from College Square where one march has already started. So this is one march that's already started from College Square towards Nabonno. We know that there were supposed to be two main marches and other subsidiary marches towards Nabonno. The two main marches were from College Square and Satragachi. This is from College Square. I'll request the PCR to change that location as well. This is College Square and the march has started from College Square to Howrah. So this is one wing of that march which has already started. We can see huge police force just in the beginning of that particular march, a huge police force deployed at the back of that particular march, and this march with Indian national flags, students marching from College Square to Nabonno. So two marches were scheduled for 1 p.m. It's 12:33, viewers. One march already started, and this is the march of students from College Square, which is in College Street, the central Kolkata area where most of the educational institutions in Kolkata are located, like the Calcutta University of Calcutta, like the Presidency University, like the Hindu School and Colleges. All these are located in College Street. That march has already started, and that march is going towards Howrah, towards Nabonno. Another march which was supposed to start at Satragachi in Howrah, it is still, we are getting to know that it's still there. It's still there at Satragachi. People are coming towards Satragachi. Now this College Square march, which we are showing in the left-hand side visual of our window now full screen, that march, there are innumerable students in this particular march. And we are getting to know, as the march goes ahead, as the students walk ahead and the supporters of the students walk ahead, there are more people joining in. There are more protesters joining in throughout that way. But we can see a very visible and considerable number of police personnel in front of the march and in the back of the march. That's our reporter Shontu as well covering. And we saw Shukhendu was showing the visuals from Howrah a while back. So one march has started. Another march is yet to begin. These are the two main or the primary marches that were scheduled. There are a number of subsidiary or additional marches that would be coming from different parts of the city and the state to Nabonno, but primarily two routes were given out. One from College Square to Nabonno and one from Satragachi to Nabonno. A part of that rally from Satragachi has already started. We are showing in the left-hand corner of our screen, and also there are other protests that are happening in Howrah, in Hastings, in Police Training School, PTS, and all other locations like several locations of Salt Lake district, Bidhannagar, etc. We also have seen that how drones are being used at one hand. On the other hand, we are learning that the Commissioner of Police of Howrah district, Howrah City Police, Praveen Tripathi, he has reached Nabanno. So there's clearly a panic that's now gripped Mamata Banerjee's administration. They have put up barricades which are huge in height.
हम वेस्ट बंगाल के जो पब्लिक है उसका एक ही डिमांड है, दफा एक, दाबी एक, ममतार पदत्याग। और एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ, एक पश्चिम बंगाल का जो छात्र समाज है उन्होंने ये आंदोलन का डाक दिया है, लेकिन ये आंदोलन में हर समाज का, पश्चिम बंगाल का हर संप्रदाय का लोग है, शिक्षक है, छात्र है, महिला है, भाई है, दादा है, सब लोग है इसी ये आंदोलन में। इसलिए कहना चाहती हूँ, ये जो शांतिपूर्ण आंदोलन हमारा चल रहा है, इसमें अगर कोई संतोष कोई भी कुछ करना चाहे तो हमारा ये आंदोलन यहाँ पे नहीं रुकेगा। हमारा आंदोलन का जो मेन मुद्दा है वो है दफा एक, दाबी एक, ममतार पदत्याग।